So I wanted to try out some new marker pens and I decided to try these ones, and I think this comes in a pack of 12. I absolutely love the vibe of this package because you can put the pens back in. So I decided to grab a random one, which was a 303 size, and the first moment I put it on the paper, it was so smooth, so consistent, and that's what we're looking for when we're trying out marker pens or fine liner pens for our drawings. This is what we're looking for: consistency and just smoothness. And then I tried out the brush, and oh my gosh, it was just so smooth. And oh my gosh, look at that flick, just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love that. And then I picked out the smallest one in the pack, which is a 005. Absolutely love the fact that it did not fade out, because normally really tiny fine liner pens, they tend to fade out because it's such a small tip, but this one was consistent and precise. Really love that. Then I took one of their chisel pens. Oh my gosh, I love the ribbon effect. This is perfect for like drawing hair or water. I tried the other size chisel and it was really nice, so buttery smooth. Absolutely love that. And then I took the largest of the regular pens, which is a 1.0, and that was great. And then I tested out the smudge. Oh my goodness, because these are smudge free, so I had to test that out, and it was no smudge, and it was just amazing. I'm so excited to use these for my next coloring project. This is awesome. It's you can use water-based, alcohol, markers, all of that stuff. So it was great, and I totally would recommend this.